Welcome back to FastestHotWheels.com. This car was submitted to our Fastest Hot Wheels Challenge. This car comes from 5-year-old Rex out in Indiana, and it's the 1997 Hot Wheels Ford GT90. Rex was the first place winner out of 300 cars at the local festival race. He said this car beat a lot of really fast cars, so we want to put it on the track and see if it's fast enough to beat some of our fast cars and win that 6-lane raceway. Let's put them on the track and race. Alright, first race for our challenger. We have him in lane 1. Let's see how he does against this set of cars. The 97 Ford GT90. In lane 2, the 73 BMW 3.0 CSL. In lane 3, the 17 Acura NSX. In lane 4, the 71 Dodge Charger. In lane 5, High Roller. And in lane 6, the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. Alright, let's race. The winner in lane 1, our challenger, the 97 Ford GT90. Alright, second race for our challenger. We moved him over to lane 2. Let's see how he does. In lane 1, the Matchbox 2015 Corvette Stingray. In lane 2, the Ford GT90. In lane 3, the Aston Martin 177. In lane 4, Split Decision. In lane 5, the Matchbox SWAT Truck. And in lane 6, the Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. Alright, let's race. Yeah, the winner in lane 2, the Ford GT90. Alright, next race for our challenger. That Ford GT90 is pretty quick. We're bumping him up to some faster cars. Let's see how he does. In lane 1, the Chevy Nomad. In lane 2, the 68 Nova, faster than ever. In lane 3, the 64 Chevelle SS. In lane 4, our challenger, the Ford GT90. In lane 5, the 94 BMW M3 GTR. And in lane 6, Sahara Sweeper. Alright, let's race. Wow. Wow. The winner in lane 4, our challenger, the Ford GT90. Alright, fourth race here for our challenger. We're throwing in some quick cars into this lineup. Let's see how the Ford GT90 does. In lane 1, the Triumph TR6. In lane 2, the Corvette Grand Sport. In lane 3, the 65 Mustang Fastback, faster than ever. In lane 4, the 85 Camaro IROC Z. In lane 5, the Hyundai Genesis Coupe with the high-speed racing wheels. And in lane 6, the Ford GT90. Alright, let's race. Wow. The winner in lane 3, the 65 Mustang Fastback, faster than ever. Wow, that Ford GT90 was quick and a cool car, but today the Mustang was faster.